The boy nearly tripped over a stone on his way home. Angrily, he smashed the stone. To his surprise, inside the stone was a strange animal fossil. He packed the stone into his backpack and took it home. After soaking the fossil in water for a few minutes, he was astonished to see the strange fossil come to life. Its limbs detached from the stone and floated to the surface. This scene frightened Jack's mother and sister. Jack believed he had found the legendary Kappa. Excited, he called his father and urged him to come home quickly. Since the Kappa occasionally made cool noises, Jack even gave it the name Little Cool. Suddenly, Little Cool spoke. He begged Jack not to kill him, to save him. After speaking, Little Cool fell silent due to his weakness. Realizing something was wrong, his father urgently instructed Jack to return Little Cool to the water tank. The Kappa enters hibernation when the disc on its head dries out. To keep the top of Little Cool's head moist, Jack kept sprinkling water on it. As Little Cool regained some energy, Jack brought some raw fish slices and began feeding him. The next day, Jack found online that Little Cool had been alive for at least 200 years. Jack then mimicked the warrior movements and attire from the time period Little Cool lived in. Seeing this, Little Cool immediately showed a painful and fearful expression. This was because he had painful memories of that time. 200 years ago, Little Cool and his father went hunting. They had worked hard for a long time before finally catching a huge carp. Due to the long expansion of human villages, the marshes where the Kappa could survive had become fewer and fewer. In order to negotiate with humans, Little Cool's father decided to use the large fish they had caught as leverage. Little Cool hid in the bushes, following his father's instructions. At that moment, two humans approached. They quickly reached Little Cool's father. At first, the two humans were terrified when they encountered the creature. But after seeing Little Cool's father bowing in a friendly manner, they relaxed. The Kappa father made his request and assured them he hadn't heard their conversation. The samurai thought he was lying and would report them, so they decided to draw their swords to silence him. Just then, Little Cool suddenly emerged from the bushes. He tragically saw his father being killed by the samurai.